You sleep 7 to 8 hours, sip coffee in the morning, and try to eat decently. But by 2 p.m., you're dragging yourself through the day. Sound familiar? Fatigue isn't always caused by what you think. Today, let's uncover 5 sneaky reasons why you're always tired and what you can do to finally get your energy back, naturally, without pills or constant caffeine crashes. Hey there, welcome back to Healscape BDS, where we turn health overload into simple, smart changes that actually improve your life. Fatigue is one of the most common health complaints in America, and most people never look beyond poor sleep or stress. But today, we're going deeper. Let's find out what's really draining your energy and how to fix it. 1. Blood sugar imbalance. You don't need to be diabetic to have blood sugar swings. If your breakfast is toast, cereal, or just coffee, your blood sugar spikes, then crashes. That crash makes you feel shaky, foggy, and exhausted. The fix: add protein and healthy fat to your breakfast. Try eggs plus avocado or Greek yogurt with berries instead of just toast or nothing at all. You'll feel steadier and energized longer. No 11 a.m. crash. 2. Hidden dehydration. Even being 1 to 2% dehydrated can reduce your energy, focus, and brain performance. Most people mistake thirst for hunger or caffeine cravings, so they eat more or drink more coffee, which can dehydrate you further. The fix: start your day with a full glass of water, not coffee, and aim for half your body weight in ounces of water daily. Bonus: add sea salt or lemon for natural electrolytes. 3. Poor gut health. Your gut isn't just about digestion. It produces neurotransmitters like serotonin and regulates inflammation. A leaky, inflamed gut can cause bloating, brain fog, and chronic fatigue, even if your diet seems healthy. The fix: remove ultra-processed foods and artificial sweeteners. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and prebiotic fibers. Try a good quality probiotic. This reduces internal inflammation and helps restore energy from within. 4. Micronutrient deficiencies. You could be eating enough calories, but not enough nutrients. Common culprits for fatigue include low vitamin D, especially in winter. Low iron, especially for women. Low magnesium, needed for energy production. The fix: ask your doctor for blood tests. Add leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and fatty fish to your meals. Supplement only if needed and always with guidance. 5. Poor recovery from stress. You're not just tired, you're burnt out. Modern life pushes your nervous system into overdrive. Emails, traffic, phone notifications, constant stimulation. If you're always in go mode, your body can't recover and eventually crashes. The fix: build recovery into your day. Take 5-minute breath breaks. Walk outside without your phone. Journal your thoughts before bed. These small resets tell your body it's safe to rest and recharge. Wrap up. So, if you're always tired, and you know it's not just lack of sleep, now you've got 5 powerful places to investigate. And the best part? You can start fixing these today with no expensive supplements or extreme diets. Let me know in the comments, which of these 5 reasons surprised you most? If this helped you understand your fatigue better, give this video a like. And subscribe to Healscape BDS for smarter health videos every single day.